Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how much YouTube pays me for 1 million video views. That's right, you heard it, 1 million video views, and how much YouTube is paying me. So funny story, the other day someone asked me how much I make on YouTube per video, and I was like, yo, it's kind of different for each video, and you know, it's kind of a lot more complicated. And then I kind of got back to looking at my lifetime earnings on YouTube, and then I noticed that I hit over 1 million views on YouTube. So yeah, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how much I've made with a little over 1 million video views. I'm going to get into my YouTube analytics and show you my highest paid YouTube video. I haven't really been posting like I used to. Things definitely aren't as consistent. So yeah, I'll also show you the flow of how YouTube AdSense is paying me. But first, this video is brought to you by smash the like button. It costs absolutely nothing at all to contribute, and it really helps to support the channel. So yo, I appreciate it. And now that you smashed the like button, I would like to start out on the computer, taking a look at what I should be getting paid, and then hop in and take a look at what I am getting paid. Here we are on my Social Blade. Social Blade, for those of you who don't know, is kind of a YouTube analytics site, kind of a good outside look in. And right here we have my channel. My channel name is Matthew Michael. With 120 uploads, I have 24,000 subscribers. Actually, it looks like I'm a lot closer to 1 million video views than I originally thought I was. And as you can see right here, my overall channel grade is a B-, so not bad. I'm passing, so I'm cool with that. All right, my subscriber rank, I guess there's a lot of people ranked above me, but I don't care. I'm doing me. And right here, my estimated monthly earnings are from $6 to $92. And then my estimated yearly earnings are 69 to 1.1 thousand earnings. So now that we have seen kind of what I'm estimated to make, let's hop in my YouTube Studio app and see just how much I'm really making. All right, now that we took a look and saw how much I'm estimated to make on YouTube, let's take a look and see how much I really make on YouTube. All right, right here we are in the YouTube Studio app, and taking a look, you see some analytics. Over the past 48 hours, you can see I have just under 1,400 views, and by no means is this a lot for me at all. Back when I was having my good days, I used to get about 10 to 15,000 views, and now I'm down to like less than a 15th of that. So definitely haven't been putting the effort that I have been in the past into YouTube. Going into how much I make, if we scroll over at the top tab, if we hit revenue, over the past 28 days, I've only made about $503. And don't get me wrong, 503, that is definitely a great number. Like that's nice money just for posting videos on YouTube. If we actually look at the revenue, we can look at revenue by month. Like if we look at December, you see in December I made just under $1,700. November, a little under $1,300. So yeah, it definitely fluctuates. But yeah, right now we're definitely much lower than we're normally chilling at. So right now, since the creation of this account, since I have got monetized, if we look at the lifetime aspect of it, I've actually had this channel since 2011. This is the channel I used to post all my school projects to and everything. So as you can see, really didn't get started until about late 2018 when it came to posting, and I didn't get monetized until late 2019. Took me a whole year to get monetized, and now we are in 2021. So we've had a little bit over a full year of being monetized. Throughout the whole time I've had this channel, and for just a little bit over 1 million video views, YouTube has paid me $22,184.06. Not that bad for 1 million video views. If we can get this video to another 1 million video views, just think, right there I could possibly double my money, and it will all be thanks to you. So yo, smash the like button, really appreciate it. But yeah, that's the bread and butter right there. That is how much money I have made off YouTube from a little over 1 million video views. Now I don't quite have a video with 1 million video views, but I do have one other video to show you that has made a good amount of money. And yeah, let's take a quick look at that as well. All right, so right here, as you can see, I have about 5 videos all related to trading options and stuff. That was initially what kind of grew my channel, for those of you that are new here, just like randomly seeing. If we click on the one with the most views, this is going to be the video that really made my channel. So yeah, right here where it says how I make money trading, right, if we click on the one at the top, you can see that over the last 28 days, my estimated revenue is $67.07. It used to be a lot higher for this video, but let's actually look at this video, how long it's been posted and how much money it's been made. Okay, so if we go to the overview and then we hit revenue, change the estimated revenue over to lifetime, you can see that during the first 8 months of this video's lifespan, this video was not making money at all. And in that time period, I believe it actually got about 40,000 views. So scratch 40,000 of this video's views, and with the remaining views, it has made just under $5,000. I actually want to go over and take a look at the overall views as well. Over the lifetime of this video, it hasn't even hit 200,000 views, and it is just under $500,000 in profit. And not only has it not hit 200,000 views, but this video only had about 40,000 views when it was monetized. So only about 150,000 views are actually monetized on this video. So yeah, this is definitely a top performer on my channel. It's definitely brought in a lot of revenue. Definitely hope to have more in the future. But yeah, that is how much YouTube has paid me for over 1 million views on YouTube, and how much YouTube has paid me for my most viewed video to date. I hope I have many more like it, and I really hope that you found this video insightful and somewhat entertaining. I know me personally, I love watching videos like these. It really makes me feel good and optimistic knowing what's possible just from creating a single video, just creating videos that help people. So while you're providing value to the world, you're also able to put money in your pocket as well. So, but anyways, if you enjoyed the video or learned anything, hey, make sure to destroy the like button. If for some reason you're new here and you haven't already, hey, please be sure to subscribe. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching, and peace.